Here are the new lights. These ones are changed out to the new LEDs for the main gauges, the mile per hour, fuel temperature, RPM. These are not converted yet. You see they have more of a yellow orangish tinge, and that's not even working. I think that bulb has been long out down in these sections, so should hopefully get better. Hello everybody, welcome to Exploring with Edna, episode 12, talking about the LED conversion here, part 2. So good news, we got all but one of the pieces in to finish the conversion. We got the lights for the license plate here, more of the for the sides, running and interior lights, and the turn signal LED conversion relay. That should make it work. Gonna get to work here, installing the lights for here and on the passenger side as well. And then the side running light, sort of hard to see, but it's right there. And we'll take some video here of the progress.
The main thing is you want to get in good with the travel agents. Little secret, we basically run the whole hospitality game.
Do travel agents still pay the system? Yeah, people just pay with their own time now.
Hey, skippers. Skipper doodles.
You're my little man. Hey guys. So, in order to make these LED lights work, I had to get this LED relay here. It's a bit hard to see in the dark, but anyways, I want to say that's C60. So if you go over here, turn signal flasher part in C79, and that is right inside here in the cab near the rear of the firewall. The front of the firewall is probably better to say, and we got to get that. All right, sorry guys to lead you on there. Apparently this is the wrong relay. There's two 2-pin relays, one for the hazard and one for the turn signals. I don't think this guy's gonna work right. So I'd love to demonstrate the working turn signals, but I don't think that's gonna be tonight, and probably not for a while here. That will be a bit before I'm back to the vehicle, but nevertheless, I will do a part 3 just to summarize and to show you the working turn signals that we'll continue to work on the inside dash as those are not affected by the relays. We'll continue working here. Hey there everybody. So, quick update here. So I got the two replaced up here. I'll show you a before picture here to show you that they're much more orangey. There's two, 1 and 2. There's also an awkward little bugger for the selectors here that's all the way back there. See it in the center of the frame with the green protector around it here. Those lights up those little knobby ends as you see in the video. You got one right here, one right here for the ashtray, and one right here for the cigarette lighter. These use the tiny guys right here. That actually uses a bigger bulb over here. Time to get it back together. As you can see, the dash is less than together at the moment, but it won't take too long to get back here. Alright guys, so here's the actual end results inside the cabin so far. So you see previously you saw the main gauge lights. Those are all updated to LED. I think I was screwing up my little lights down here, and I apologize, it's super dark, but where the brake light is and all that stuff, I simply think I was reversing the lights polarity, and maybe if I double check as I install, they should work better and actually behave like they should. Going over here, you see our brand new lights in the center gauge cluster here. Nice and bright, nice and white compared to previously. Don't mind the car's noise right now, it's just super cold. Going down below, you see this time I actually have the lights for the air control system. I don't have AC, so you're not going to see an AC button. I replaced the ones for these little guys here, for the little individual selectors, the backlight, even the cigarette light backlight here. Apparently I never noticed there's a little light for the cigarette lighter tray. So that's pretty cool. I like the results so far. And going around the vehicle, not that I am finished because I ordered the wrong relay, but starting on the driver's side rear light, see this is all LED'd up now. I'm just not in reverse gear. I'll show you that in a bit. Nice bright lights for the license plate. Same over here, all LED'd up. However, turn signals will not work yet because I haven't replaced the top turn signal up here just to get us by. I'm gonna do that now, so I'll show you guys it's still working, and I'll put it in reverse gear and you can see the backup lights. Alrighty guys, here's the backup lights on, all LEDs now, along with my extra bottom set. Alright, so not exactly running, I still need the relays, but I just wanted to show the brightness differences. So this is the front with the LEDs for turn signals. Going to the back, of course it's not flashing at the right speed, simply because, as I said, the relay's not on. But yeah, there's that. Alright guys, so here's the show with conventional lights in the front. You can see the flashers do work as normal. Sort of sucks, but I just gotta wait for the right relays. I wish it wasn't so, but I have no other real explanation. But I guess I need that relay, what they're recommending I need it online. So I'll get the right one coming and we'll get it all fixed up. But I'll make a part 3 so you guys could see the final bit here. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was semi-informative. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll do my best to answer the questions. And talk to you later. Bye.